We did it! With our introductory series behind us, we're now equipped with the knowledge and confidence to dive into our own exciting projects. Throughout this introductory series, we have steadily built a strong foundation of knowledge. We can now create and modify multiple internal objects in ZBrush, utilizing the powerful Z-sphere modeling technology. Along the way, we have gained important insights into manual and automated retopology tools. We have learned what UVs are and how to accurately calculate them. We can now confidently use sculpting tools for editing. Brushes, alphas, and masks are now familiar concepts. We've explored textures and materials, explained the polypaint process, and demonstrated various other functions and applications. I hope the videos provided you with a good and helpful introduction. If you enjoyed learning ZBrush and want to deepen your knowledge, I'm excited to offer you this opportunity with the next video series. If you have any questions regarding the processes presented in the videos, please feel free to ask them in the comments section below, and I will do my best to assist you with any further inquiries. Thank you for your time and attention. I genuinely wish you great success with your projects, and I look forward to seeing you again next on my channel.